this don't. Oh Lord. I don't think this is good. As Chewing Bear says, nah, it's not good. I'm agreeing with you, Chew. Oh no. We can't do that. Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. We are back where we left off from the last video. These were all the boxes that need to get broken down. So that's what I'm in the garage now doing. I do apologize for the muffle sound in the back, but as you know, I'm working in the garage and it's hot. So I do have the air conditioning and I do have the 2 fans running. Most of my videos will be in time lapse because if I was to show you the full video, it would be about 6 hours that I normally try to stay in this garage. And if it's not in one day, I do videos over a course of a week and then try to combine it all down, you know, into 10 or 11 minutes the most, because I know no one's going to sit and watch a whole 6-hour video. Okay y'all, I'm back. So this is what I have done so far. I got a lot of the crates emptied. Walk over here and let me show you. That big green one was taking up a lot of space. These are more boxes that I unpacked. Bag of just papers that I wrap my dishes in. Got another box. So this is all garbage for today. All right, let me show you from back here. I see a difference. Okay, we're not worrying about this section here, okay? We are worrying about, well, my focus is, let me rephrase that, was to do, have you seen any other video, there was a whole line that went down and it was stacked. And this is all I have to do now is go through this little section here, okay? And then all I have to push through is still those 2 pink, I think it's 3 of them back there. I see another one underneath. go through that whole side. But I'm not focusing really about that side. It was today to reiterate, to be able to maneuver my way. This walk I have, this path now, I can get through here. And actually, I have my chair, and I can sit in this corner. This is a bag of clothes that will go in to get washed. So I'm gonna move that out of the way. And I just found a whole lot of arts and crafts. Hi everyone, I'm not sure what day I am in this garage this week. It may be day 3. And what you just saw in that clip was me opening up that path, coming on through. Spilled some water there, I gotta get that up. But look, I'm able to now come all the way over here. So I am pushing through. I still have this stuff here where I'm trying to figure out what goes in the house and what's going to stay out here. I think right now I'm running into a problem as far as yeah, I'm getting stuff unpacked. I am throwing stuff away. Pan over there. There's some more garbage I got. So I am throwing stuff away. I'm just trying to get to it. But I'm going to do a walk back real quick, and I just want you to see. Look, I got that open. And we're slowly but surely coming on over. That's garbage right here, that pink can. But I'm getting over here. I'm moving over here now. I think this is like my 6th video or 5, not sure. But not much longer. Not much longer. Alright y'all, see where I'm at? I'm over here. Getting excited, I can see the floor. I just got to finish emptying that green bucket because that's taking up a lot of space. And I'm going to use that outside for like my pool supplies, Truly's little swimming vest, stuff like that. So that's going to be going outside in a few, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so as you see, I have my attic door ladder door As my granddaughter truly says, nah, I don't think so. So that's going to delay me now. I really thought it was a better way to get up there. So, dang. These are my shelves. From Home Depot when I got the craft tables. When I got that craft table cut out. So I do got my shelves, and I'm gonna put these on the side, right over on the side where the refrigerator is. So let's get to doing that, and then I'll be back.